Memory and storage. The PC memory has been upgraded to 16 GB DDR4 SD-RAM for enhanced high bandwidth to easily switch back and forth between open applications. Hard drive has been upgraded to 64 GB eMMC for fast boot up and speedy data transfer. Processor Intel Celeron N4120 processor, 4 cores, 4 threads, base frequency at 1.1 GHz, up to 2.6 GHz at max turbo frequency. Screen 1/4 diagonal, HD, 1366 by 768, micro edge, bright view, 220 nits, 45% NTSC. Tech specs: 1x USB Type-C, 2x USB 3.1 Type-A, 1x HDMI, 1x headphone MIC combo, 1x AC smart pin, 1x RJ45, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, 1 year Office 365. Operating system Windows 11 Home.